Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Join me today as I make quick chicken curry sauce. Please, my amazing viewers, do support my channel by sending me super thanks or super sticker. So without wasting much time, I'm going to go ahead to season my chicken. Here I have my well cleaned chicken. I'll go ahead to add chopped onion, curry powder, dried thyme, dried mixed seasoning herbs, non-stock cube. I also have my mixed chicken seasoning. I'll go ahead to add some salt as well, and after that I'll use my spatula to stir it. Then I'll cover and allow it to steam. 10 minutes later I'll go ahead to add in some water, then I will allow it to cook until it becomes soft. And after I'm done cooking my chicken, I'll go ahead to give it a quick stir, and after that I will proceed to add in my roughly blended pepper. I'll also add my ginger paste, then I'll go ahead to add my spices, add my cornstarch mixture. But before adjusting your spices, make sure you check it first. You check your sauce first before adjusting the spices. Then I'll use my spatula to give it a quick stir, then I will allow it to cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. So 5 minutes later, I'll go ahead to add in my mixed bell pepper. Then I will also add in my carrots. Then I'll use my spatula to stir it and mix everything together. And one more thing guys, make sure you reduce the heat while adding in your vegetable, and there is no need of allowing your vegetable to cook again. You just need to give your sauce a quick stir, then you take it off the heat if you don't want your vegetable to overcook. So guys, as you can see, my chicken curry sauce is ready now. I'm going to go ahead to dish it out and enjoy with my family. And please guys, if you haven't subscribed to this my channel, please do me a favor by clicking on that subscription button and also turn on your notification bell icon so you will be the first to get a notification whenever I upload a new video. And please don't forget to like and share this video. See you guys in my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.